Todo el mundo quiere disfrutar de una salud óptima y vivir la vida al máximo. Debido a esto, la comunidad científica continuamente está en busca de nuevas soluciones científicamente sólidas e innovadoras para apoyar el bienestar de las personas en todo el mundo.
So from a scientific perspective, I think most fields have grown exponentially. I think 20 years ago, there really wasn't nearly the volume of scientific work being done. Simply because companies can make a claim, they might have a spokesperson provide a testimonial. Today, people are much more savvy. They want scientific evidence showing the efficacy of a particular product, the safety of a particular product or ingredient.
Really, health is macro. You're the whole person, and you're a conglomeration of cells, trillions of cells. So you start with your cellular activity being accurate. That starts with communication. Because every function of your body must have proper cellular communication or you don't have good health. And that begins with glycans.
What you want is your body's ability to adapt. You want to be able to have anything that comes into the body responds to it without too much effort, and with ease, it's able to combat whatever comes in and help you grow strong and healthy.
Una tecnología emergente está envolviendo al mundo científico. El enfocarse en una categoría de nutrición que es la base de virtualmente cada aspecto del cuerpo humano. Estos nutrientes se llaman glicanos y se derivan principalmente de fuentes botánicas. La ciencia ha establecido que hay 8 de estos glicanos que son necesarios para la comunicación celular apropiada.
Glycans literally play a role in every known biological process. We know, as an example, that glycans will help you to optimize your immune function. We also know that glycans can help you to optimize your cognitive function and your memory function.
We know, based on the evidence, that glycans are crucially important to allow for normal physiologic functioning in biological systems.
Well, we use a number of different glycans, and the reason we do this is because each type of glycan has its own set of functions. One of those that we use is from aloe. Lots of companies use aloe, okay? We use a particular mannose from aloe, a proprietary scientific process that yields a mannose molecule that's completely different from all of the other mannose from aloe products on the market today. And we have shown that in scientific study. We also use a very specific and proprietary source of arabinogalactan. Arabinogalactan is taken from either the eastern or the western larch tree. It's taken from the bark. And this has been shown to be an excellent immunomodulator. So an immunomodulator means it balances your immune system. It helps your immune system respond to a challenge versus always having your immune system revved up too high. And so when you combine these glycans together, you now have a foundational complex that can help you with cellular communication like no other product on planet Earth.
Manatec es el líder mundial y pionero en la tecnología de glicanos. Como su producto único, Ambrotose, Manatec presentó el primer complejo en el mundo y a la fecha es el único en el mundo, basado en plantas y diseñado para la comunicación celular.
We've actually completed in our lab at the University of Memphis 2 studies using the Ambrotose products. In our most recent scientific study, we found that Ambrotose powder, both at a 2 and a 4 gram dosage, was shown to be an effective immunomodulator.
We've studied cognitive function as an example, and we've seen improvements in cognitive function with Ambrotose. We've studied memory. In fact, we have 2 excellent human double-blind placebo-controlled studies on memory. We have immune studies that we've seen immune modulation on a series of markers. By having all of the appropriate cells be able to recognize what's going on, starting with what you eat. So when you swallow your food, does it know how to signal the proper enzyme to break it down? Does it know how to signal the transport of that nutrient to whatever cell requires it? Does it know how to optimize those things? This is all cellular communication. It's the most holistic approach to health using our Ambertose technology.
La misión de Manatec es ofrecer el nutriente más benéfico que el cuerpo necesite para prosperar, Ambrotose. Esta tecnología, que está en constante desarrollo y que es impulsada por principios científicos, optimiza el bienestar y prepara el camino para vidas más felices, más saludables y más plenas.
I know that my energy is better, my focus is better, and after that, coming into my practice, to understand the vitality that people can actually experience in their life when they have an optimally functioning system.
I have used a number of dietary supplements over many years, including the Manatec products. My objective at this point in my life is really to enhance my overall health, general health, immune function, things of that nature. And the ones that, for me, I think have proven most beneficial have been the Ambrotose products, the Manipal. And I believe that that particular product helps to provide the food necessary for allowing for good bacteria growth in the gut, and in turn enhancing my overall immune function.
In our future, we are moving beyond what we've already studied. So we have 7 brain studies, we have gut studies, we have immune studies. We have all this that's important, but we're going to do a lot more in the area of microbiome to really see how glycans can affect the human microbiome, given changes in science in the last few years. We think it's particularly important.